Okay, we're going to start with a rear wheel for the dragster. We're going to click on Part, New Part, Standard Part, XY Plane. We're going to make a circle from the center. We're going to make that 1.6. Finish your sketch. Extrude. And let's make this 0.7, 7/10 of an inch. Okay. Start a new sketch again. Click on the surface. Let's make a small circle, 25/100. Make another one from the same place. Let's go to approximately 1.4. Finish your sketch. Extrude. We're going to cut, but not going to cut all the way through this time. We're only going to cut through 3/10. Click on the cut button. Click inside the two circles. Click OK. We're going to flip it around, do the same thing to the back. Now, if you start here, you'll see the other circle from the other side pops up, so we just have to drag to the first circle that we drew on the other side. Same thing with the second one. Finish your sketch. Extrude. And cut 3/10 in. All right, now we need to put a hole in the center for the axle. So we're going to create another sketch. This time the circle will be 1/8 of an inch, so 0.125. And we're going to finish our sketch. This time we're going to cut it all the way through. So we're going to zoom in and click on that circle we just created. Now we should have a hole all the way through. All right, it's going to give us some character, and this is where you can do your own thing. Let's create a new sketch on the inside here. I'm going to make a simple rectangle. You can do a spline, line, all kinds of triangle shapes, polygons, whatever you'd like to do. Finish your sketch. We're going to cut all the way through. And we're going to pattern this in a circle. Up here, where you see a little circle pattern tool. We're going to click only on that rectangle I just created. Can't get it, zoom in. Sometimes it'd be a little tricky. All right, we're going to pattern that around this center. You can click how many times you want that to repeat. I'm going to leave it at 6. And now we have some design for it. Makes it look a little sharper than it was. All right, let's color it and save it. Remember, drag from the right to the left. Let's just make them maybe a black color. Click OK. Let's change that color to a little lighter color so we can see what we're doing later. Let's see. I don't want to take it, is it? There we go. Okay. Click OK. We're going to go to File, Save As. Make sure we're in the dragster folder. We'll call this a rear wheel. Or you can call it the big wheel. Let's call it the big wheel. And I've already got some name that. We'll call it Big Wheel 3. Okay, next time we'll make the little wheel.